Experiencing frequent call drops or data disconnections with ALDI Mobile? You're not alone. ALDI Mobile, as an MVNO using Verizon's network, can suffer from dropouts due to three main factors: coverage limitations, band locking on your device, and interference. First, coverage. Verizon's network, while extensive, has weaker spots in rural or mountainous areas. These dead zones can cause your signal to drop entirely. Second, band locking. Many ALDI mobile phones are locked to specific LTE bands. If your phone can't access the available bands in a certain area, especially when roaming, your connection will drop. Finally, interference. Electromagnetic interference from devices like microwaves, physical barriers like thick walls, or even network congestion during peak hours can all disrupt your ALDI mobile signal. We'll explore fixes for each of these issues in the next section. For coverage issues, check Verizon's coverage map available on their website or the ALDI mobile app to identify dead zones. A signal booster might help in these areas, as ALDI has provided these in some rural cases. Addressing band locking involves checking your phone's compatibility with different bands. Contact ALDI support. They might be able to assist with unlocking, or consider upgrading to a newer, unlocked phone offered in some ALDI mobile plans. Remember that unlocking may void warranties. If interference is the problem, try these steps. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Switch to Wi-Fi calling in your phone's settings, available in ALDI Mobile's updated app. Ensure your phone's firmware is up to date. Also be aware that during heat waves, electrical items such as smart thermostats can cause interference. Consider using a signal strength app to diagnose the specific issue. By understanding the causes and applying these solutions, you can significantly reduce those frustrating ALDI mobile dropouts.